My name is Brian Sadoff. I'm the general manager of M&L Truck Service. When we repair all sizes of vehicles, from light duty, medium duty, heavy duty, we do some industrial equipment and some agricultural equipment. One of the reasons we got the crane is we're constantly looking for ways to improve the operation, ways that we can do better. So anyway, we got the crane so that we could better use the space that we have. It's a lot less expensive than if we had to put up a bigger building. So by putting a crane system in, we could better utilize the space that we had. So we used it for all kinds of applications. One of the reasons we were looking at putting a crane system in, because where before a job that would take 2 or 3 technicians, now 1 technician can do because he can use the remote control crane and do the job by himself. Where in the past where we would have 2 bays taken up because we had to have forklift in there to take a hood off of a truck. So you're taking up 2 bays, one was being productive, one's not being productive, and also taking multiple technicians to do the job, like taking a hood off and getting the radiator out. Well, now we can have 2 trucks head to head and the hood up, and 1 technician just drop the crane down in there and pull the radiator up and take it away. We have improved our productivity and our efficiency. It's very important because the tight areas that we work in, it was nice to have those features just for the safety aspect of it. If for some reason the technician didn't see something that was going to be of an obstruction, the crane would take care of it for them. So we do like the safety features that are built in to protect the equipment that we're working on and also for safety of the technicians. Follow me where the technician can just use the hold onto the hook and move around, and then the crane follows him. It's really neat. And then the snag thing is really nice because if they are moving something around and they bump into something, the crane knows to stop instead of keep going and turn something over or break something. And then also the hook centering is very nice because if they don't have it centered and we need to pick it up straight, the crane will center itself. So it does pick up straight and not tear up something on the customer's vehicle. Multiple reasons we went with Kone Cranes because we didn't know anything about crane systems going into the project. So through a bunch of research, we narrowed it down to 3 or 4 different companies. And we decided with Kone because they seem to be the most professional, the most responsive, and a one-on-one consultation where the other companies did not offer that. You know, when you do projects of this magnitude, there's always obstacles and, things that come along and, issues you have to deal with. But it was such smooth sailing process dealing with you guys from the delivery of the product to the installation. They worked with us so that we could keep our shop working. They worked around us and they were very efficient and helpful and very polite and courteous. It's just a very good professional experience. We have 2 shops, and since we have 1 installed, the second shop is very jealous that they don't have that type of equipment, and actually we really want to get that over there for them, seeing how useful it is. And going into our project, the owners were a little bit skeptical, but now that they see what it does for us and see how the technicians use it and how much they enjoy using it and want to have that, they are more receptive to putting a system in their other shop.